Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about 2014 GATE question on plastic analysis. Look at this question on the board. In this question also is asking us to find the collapse load. For solving the collapse load for any type of beam or for in any question, one need to observe the given diagram. Okay, one need to observe the given diagram. That is details mentioned in the diagram. Mainly the span lengths and the point of action of the load and the plastic moment capacities of that span, etc. Clear? So these are the things examiner should mention. Okay, these are the things examiner should mention in the diagram or in the question itself. Okay, in the question itself to solve this question. Clear? So first go to this or observe this diagram. Basically, this is a simply supported beam with overhang. Okay, basically this is given the span is a simply supported beam with overhang. Okay. Dimensions were mentioned. So point load is two point loads are acting. One is at the end. Okay, one is at the end portion of the overhang and another is at the center of this simply supported. Okay, center of this AB. Okay, center of the span AB. Clear everyone? But if you observe, nothing was mentioned related to the plastic moment carrying capacity of the given span. Is that clear? So nothing was mentioned. Therefore, assume it as MP. The reason why we are assuming it is MP, if you see the options, in every option MP is there. So consider the total span AC. Okay, consider the total span AC is having the equal or same plastic moment carrying capacity, that is MP. Okay, if there exists different plastic moment carrying capacities for a beam in that diagram, then examiner need to mention it clearly. Then only we can solve that question, or else we can't solve it. As in this question, coming to this question, nothing was mentioned. Therefore, assume total span AC will have same plastic moment carrying capacity, that is MP. Okay, now let us go to the solution part. Okay, let us see the procedure for getting the answer to this question. Okay, so what is the procedure? Same procedure. First we need to find the DS. As it is a simply supported beam with overhang, DS is 0. Okay, DS is 0. Solution. So DS is equal to 0. Implies number of plastic inches required 1. So number of plastic inches required for the formation of mechanism in this question is 1. Now locations. So what are the locations? A is a mechanical inch, or really inch is existing. Therefore, we can eliminate this. But at the junction of the at the location of the point load. Okay, at the location of the point load, it means D is a possible location. And coming to the B, even though B is a roller support. Okay, even though B is a roller support, but the span is continuing over the B. Okay, the given span is continuing. Okay, given span is continuing over a B. Okay, over a roller support. Therefore, chances are there for the formation of the plastic hinge at location B also. If the span ends here, then at B no chance are there for the formation of plastic hinge. But in the given question, the span is continuing over the B. Therefore, chances are there for the formation of plastic hinge at B. Is that clear? So these are the two locations for the formation of the plastic hinge. Okay, these are the two locations for the formation of the plastic hinge. Is that clear, everyone? But how many plastic hinges are required for the formation of mechanism? 1. But number of locations are 2. So these are the possible locations where plastic hinges can form. Okay, where plastic hinges may form. But only one plastic hinge is required for the development of mechanism. Now we'll go for both the possibilities. Possibility 1. Okay, possibility 1. First, let us assume at B. So in this case, hinge is forming only at B. Therefore, collapse will be somewhat like this. Is that okay? Consider it as delta. Now, wherever plastic hinge is forming, at that location only plastic moment will develop. So this is MP. And here it is theta. Clear? So these are the representations for this mechanism. Now to find the collapse load, we know that external work should be equated to internal work. Now external work is done by this P by 2 only, not this by load. This load P is not going to do any work in this case. Only the load, okay, only the load P by 2 is going to do the work, and this delta is nothing but L by 3 theta. Why? Because this span BC is L by 3. Okay, this span BC is L by 3. So now external work is nothing but P by 2 into L by 3 theta. Now internal work is done by this MP, that is MP into theta. So theta theta will get cancelled. Okay, theta theta will get cancelled. Now collapse load PU comes out to be 6 MP by L. That is a collapse load in possibility 1. Now let us check possibility 2. Possibility 2. Possibility 2. In this case, we assume inject D. Okay, formation of plastic inject D. Now the collapse diagram will be somewhat like this. So here where the load is acting P, and here this load is acting P by 2. Okay. So here where the hinge is forming. So now mechanism diagram will be like, okay, mechanism diagram will be like this. This is A and this is D. This is DD dash, and this is B, and this is C, and this is CC dash. Okay. Now wherever plastic hinge is forming, at that location only plastic moment will develop. So as here plastic hinge is forming, here itself only plastic moment will develop. MP, MP. That's it. As hinge is forming exactly at the center, if this is theta, then this will also theta. This is also theta. And this is also theta. Is that okay? So from geometry, we can say this is also theta. Is that clear? Now coming to the DD dash and CC dash, here I will write CC dash is equal to this span into this theta. So what is that span? L by 3 theta. Now coming to the DD dash, so this span into theta, either this span or this span, both are equal, that is L by 2 into theta. This is DD dash and CC dash respectively. Now coming to the external work and internal work. Here external work is always done by external applied load. Now here both the loads are going to do the work. So this P is going to do the work and this P by 2 will also going to do the work. But this work, okay, work done by this P is positive. The reason P is acting in downward direction and D is also moving towards downward to D dash, right? Hence work done by this P is positive. But if you see here, okay, if you see at end C, okay, at end C, that span is moving upward, but load is acting downward. As the displacement is opposite to the direction of the application of the load, therefore work done is negative. Okay, work done is negative. It means P is going to do the positive work because this P deflecting this D to D dash in downward direction, whereas this C is deflecting towards upward. Okay, it is deflecting towards upward. Therefore, work done by this P by 2 is negative. Clear, everyone? That is a basic physics concept. Okay, that is a basic physics concept. So now external work. What is external work? This P is going to do the positive work, that is L by 2 theta. This is the work done by the load P, positive. Now minus P by 2. So P by 2, L by 3 theta. L by 3 theta. So this is positive work and this is negative work. Now coming to the internal work, this MP try to make this theta 0 and this MP try to make this theta 0. So that is 2 MP theta. Okay, 2 MP theta. Now we can cancel theta and theta here. Okay, we can cancel theta and theta. So now coming to this PL by 2 minus PL by 6. Okay, PL by 2 minus PL by 6. Upon subtracting, we will get it as PL by 3 is equal to 2 MP. So finally, collapse load in this case is 6 MP by L. Now if you observe both the cases, in possibility 1, the load is how much? 6 MP by L. Collapse load is 6 MP by L. In possibility 2 also, collapse load is 6 MP by L. In both the cases, collapse load is same. Okay, collapse load is same. So obviously the collapse load for this case is how much? 6 MP by L. Which option is? Which option is correct? Option C. Option C is correct for this question. Is it clear, everyone? This is what the question. So this is somewhat typical question. There is a mechanism diagram. For possibility 2, the mechanism is somewhat different. what we have discussed in comparison with the cases what we have discussed already. Okay, so mechanism diagram in possibility 2 is somewhat different in comparison with the cases what we have done so far. Is that okay? That is only the different thing, or that is only the thing we haven't discussed so far. So take it down.